This will be a first look at the new Ferrari F80 from Kitbox PZY. It's a brand new kit. And let's see what's inside this box. Okay, let's start here. We have a whole box of stuff to go through here. Some 3D printed parts here. Got more 3D printed parts and metal parts in here. But let's start here. Typical of PZY kit box, everything is super smooth. Captures the silhouette really nice. Everything is so crisp. Just a neat car. And the best part about it is these things fit like Legos. So here's our engine cover. Just fits right in there. We've got side skirts. Oh. So we've got our side skirts as separate pieces. Interior tub. Oh, wow. So we got our main seat. Bottom. Rear diffuser. Look at how well they cast these things. It's just amazing to me. And it's thin. It's really thin. Door panels with a big old speaker in there. This looks like a rear transaxle. Tires and rims. Look at these. Just nice and crisp. I like the design of these wheels too. Sharp. And the big meat rollers for the back. All right, let's go to that other package. Holy poo-poo, there was a lot of pieces inside this box. Let's take a look at some of these. Special interest there is the Ferrari engine cover and our steering wheel. Let's see, what else is interesting here? Our brake hats there. What else do I recognize here? Looks like, yeah. There's just so many pieces in here. This is kind of cool. Exhaust. Big old wing. Very delicate. Here's another engine piece. And of course we have, tiny pieces, of course. These look like coil packs or something. Hood pins. Yeah, this is quite the project. That's for sure. Just really, really delicate pieces. Here's our seat, our main seat. With the delicate frame to go around it there. Here's some 3D printed parts. We have two sets of headlight covers. So we have one that's sort of smoked and one that's clear. I think this one needs just a little bit of polish. It's got a little bit of distortion to it. Probably use the smoked ones anyways. For the real delicate stuff, they printed in a different resin. Okay, in this special little box, we have the most amazing 3D printed grill I've ever seen in my life. Look at this thing. I don't know that I could duplicate this on my printer. Probably, but geez. I'm gonna put it right back in this box before I break it. All right, and one more little box of stuff here. Okay, so these photo etch pieces are pre-bent, which is nice. The mirrors are separate, a different kind of resin. Neat shape. Not sure why these are in this color resin, but hey. We've got some tiny pieces here. They look to be painted already for you. And one here. And a couple of springs. I find this interesting. And I believe that these are tire valves. Cool. Next up we have photo etch parts. We have brakes, some louvers and whatnot. More grills, looks like seatbelt stuff. Some license plates, shifters. The ever important placard, some metallic stickers, or these are actually decals. There's some masks, paint masks. And seatbelt material, 2 red, 2 black. And the windows. All right, time for decals, as my Canadian friends say. We have silver with blue, white with silver, silver with yellow, white with red, and United States colors and Italian colors. And these, yeah, whatever those gradiated things are. We got some numbers, some stuff for the dash, things for the brakes, things for the seats. Then we get into the fun stuff. These are carbon fiber decals. They don't look like carbon fiber decals, but they are. They are translucent. So you apply your color, put these over it, and then put a candy color so you can change it. You could do a blue carbon fiber car, you could do a red carbon fiber car. I imagine you can do smoke over them to do like a traditional carbon fiber, but here's a lot of carbon fiber decals. 3 sheets worth. This is going to be interesting to do something a little different than your typical carbon fiber decals. Looking at the instructions, we have a breakdown of all of the pieces that come in this kit, which is quite a few. And the assembly instructions. So it does say, apply a base coat to the panel, either black or other desired color. Apply a transparent carbon fiber decal, and then go clear red, clear blue, clear black, clear green, clear amber to make it yours, the color that you want to use. Another breakdown of all the parts I just showed you, and then we get into assembly. It looks like that PZY has done some work on their instructions a little bit, a little better sort of layout of, you know, where the decals go and whatnot in the assembly. Again, this isn't like a Tamiya kit or something where it tells you every color that you need to paint things, but at least it's a better representation of where things go. Kudos for doing a little extra work here. Here's our engine bay. There's our springs. Interesting. We have sort of monocoque assembly there. And then our outside parts. And then like our final parts, you know, where all the carbon goes. And then decal options. Here's our call out for the masks used for spray painting the appearance of headlights, and used for the covering and painting the appearance of the vehicle's roof. There's those gradiated decals, and then straight stripes. Very cool. So this one is quite the model car. I hate to compare, but there's another resin model car producer in the same area that makes very similar models. You all know who I'm talking about. This kills anything that they make. I've seen the latest stuff that's been coming out of them, and they're basic model cars. They're really, really basic. This one has a lot of pieces, lots of fine detail. And if you take your time, this is best of show kind of model. Hands down, hands down. I just have to figure out what color to paint this thing. I really want to take advantage of the clear templated carbon fiber, maybe do a different shade than normal. But that's going to take some masking and some, little magic to make that happen. I consider this one a challenge. So if you're up to this challenge of this model car, it's a beautiful model car, please contact me via email, Facebook Messenger, or Instagram, and we can work out a deal. I am selling these model cars. They are $190 shipped within the United States. If you're not within the United States, contact Wenben Son on Facebook, and he'll get to either sell you one himself or get you to a distributor closer to your area. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.